Hello guys, so today I want to teach you guys how to write a art scraper. So this art scraper is a good thing which we can get the art. So for example, today I want to teach you how to catch art in Oddsportal, and then we can write a scraper. So let me first show you a result. So you see, if I just run this part, you will catch this game and copy these arts and make a good shape. So you can see the result after 10 seconds. You see? So this is each company like bet 365. There, this green points means the left team. So it's frames, and this red arts means the Colorado, and this blue means their scores are the same. So in this video, I want to teach you guys how to write this code. So stay tuned. Okay. So now let me start explain how to write Oddsportal Python scraper. So if you're not familiar with Python, or you are not familiar with the Anaconda or the Jupyter notebook, you should go to download and watch my previous video. So now it's very simple. First, we just import this module. So this is first is URL lib. Probably we don't need this. Okay, but we definitely need a Selenium, because Selenium is our main module, and we import time because okay, I will explain it. And then we import a web driver because we need to send keys sometimes, and we need import a matplotlib because we need to make a good plot, and then we import numpy. Probably numpy is not essential. So first, you need to prepare the web driver. So the web driver is a cron driver. If you do not know what is cron driver, you can go to Google and just download cron driver. Okay, which is a web driver, which is really easy. You just click and download. Okay, and you can put the for example, I put the cron driver into this test file, and you can choose a path. So you can choose a path. So I click. So this part means the web cron, their exclusive path is inside here. And after that, we need to tell the driver which part we want to go. So we can use the driver find, driver get. So that means the driver will lead us to that particular website. So for example, if I want to the National Hockey League, I just use this URL, and very easy. So when I run this code, you will open a new cron, and then you will lead us to the this website. And after that, it's pretty easy, it's straightforward. So first we need to click this, right? So we use okay, so this is Chinese, that means inspect. So you can inspect and click, inspect and click, and you right click, and there's an XPath. You copy the XPath. Then it's fairly easy. You just use the driver find element by XPath. You use click. So that means driver will click this object. So you can just ignore this, because this part is I want to change the odds view. So I want to change the odds system from US to EU. But if you don't care, then it's good. Yeah, you can ignore all this part. This is not important. And after that, there's a what's this? Okay, I will explain this. Okay, so when you use the click and enter, you will click into this part. At the meanwhile, we can just catch. So we need the name of the company and the each odds. So it looks different. It looks not very straightforward, but it's fairly easy. You just click on it and then you inspect, and then there's the XPath. So I can just use this, and I just driver, and I copy this, and I write test. You can see it's the company name. So when you try, you will find just like this. All of the name are the same. So this table is called ID equals to odds data table, and the layer table has a row and a column. So the row is I and the column is labeled by J. So you see in this code, we are using the 1 1 1. So what is 1 1? This is 1 1. So this is 1 2 1 3 1 4. So it's very straightforward. You can try again. If you just choose 1 2, oh, it says no such element, so I should delete this A. Okay, so probably the number is different from this table. Let me see. Oh, it's 1 2. Oh, but no this DIV. Okay, so then you just keep DIV. You just get rid of this stupid DIV. And after that, you can see, oh, it's fairly easy. You just use 1 3. Oh, straightforward. 1 4. Okay, so after that, you know how to write this table, right? Because you only have 10 companies and 300 or something, so you can use a for loop to label this table by I and J. Okay, so go back to our main code. So now I can explain this part to you. So we can define a function called ELLIJ. So it returns FFI something object. So FFI, you just check whether this objects exist. If it exists, you just return a test. So we can run this part. So this is just some stupid technical detail, but not very hard. So after that, you can see if I type the 1 1, it teaches me the name of the company. 1 2 give me odds. 1 3 give me a odds. 1 4 give me final odds. So it's very stupid, right? Okay. So after that, go back to our main code. We can just define the fi of x. So I will explain this part. So this is very straightforward, because this straight part just combine the name, just create a dictionary. So there's a dictionary called x. So I will define x is a empty dictionary. So I just define the x keys into so this is keys. This is the object corresponding which is a list. So in this case, I have 2 3 4 5. Why? Because 2 3 4 5. Okay, straightforward. So now we define this object, and we are done. because of that, we can write the code. So I will explain. I will not explain this technical detail. Okay, but I will pass this code inside here. So basically, these F1, F2 are like different object. Compare these two. So these two are not the same XPath because they are different, and one is in play, one haven't played. So if you write it, find the XPath, it will be slightly different. So in my code, I just check whether they are different. If I check the first one is correct, I just click. If I try the second one is correct, I just click. So this is straightforward. And then this part just capture the title of the game. So this is very technical. I will not explain here. Okay. Then we can do the good job. We can define the operational I. So what is operational I? Operational I is an easy object. If I use this try part, that means I just click the game, the label of game. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay. Okay, and I just let time sleep 1 second because I need to let the website fully download, and I create a dictionary, and this dictionary capture the 10 companies. So for I in range 1 to 10, straightforward. And we just type sleep 1 second, and we driver back. So what is driver back? Driver back just go back. So if you use the driver back, it will go back. And after that, return this dictionary. Okay. So probably you don't know what I'm saying about if you use operation. Let me write this. Okay, if I use the operation 4. Oh, is it something strange? Oh, because we are not defining a basic object. These two is very technical. I mean you can try to find why I just write right. Okay, so you will return a dictionary, which is a whole dictionary of the particular game. Okay. Once it comes in, and okay, so it returns the object we want. So after the operation, the other part is very, very, very easy because we already have the odds. Then we can just draw. So in order to draw, we need to import a matplotlib, just like this. For people who are not familiar with matplotlib, this is really fine because I'm not familiar with matplotlib also. I just want to draw a good picture. Okay. So now I define the matplot I. So this I is index. So I call the operational dictionary called A, and then we type sleep 1 second, and so this is plot style, of which is not important. And the L, this L means we need to catch the title of the game. It's not important. So now B is a list. I create a new list, and so I want to explain this part is we try to install what? We try to install list, a list number into a list, and we plot the company name versus their odds. Okay, so I just create a B is equals to B is a list. What's B? B is the first line, C second line, omega is D is the third line. So BCD. So now we have a list. And after that, it's very straightforward. We use a plot figure, and we set the figure size A4, and we plot the title L. The title is the list each title. Okay. And after that, we draw the green, blue, and red. So green means the left hand gain, and blue means the middle gain. If there are scores, there are odds, I label it as blue, and the red means the right gain. So after that, probably I can. Okay, so as I plot X label means the label of X axis, I call it company. For the Y axis, I call it odds. Okay. Whoa. So now I can actually, after that, you can just copy this plot. Okay, the plot function, and after that, you can define this. I will explain why is this. So when I use it, I use plot TT. So that means because it's hard to, because you can see number 4, number 5, number 6. How about number 7? Number 7 is empty, right? So I use this code to check whether number 7 is empty. Oh, I mean, I can cancel this part. So if number 7 is empty, is not empty, then I plot. If it's empty, we just go back to the original website and we keep going. So for example, now one can use the plot 5. So you will go to the predators versus the dollar star. Okay, it takes me a little bit more time because probably my connection is not good. Oh, well, it's not this good. This one. All right. So now we have the. So let me show you. So this is Predator versus Dollar Star. If you go back, go into this is different company and different odds. So you see this 2.10, 2.17, 2.11 is exactly the same 2.10. So you can see this to know the shape and know the trend of this code. And you can try. How about if I write +7? There's no +7, right? If in this part there's no +7. So after that it will produce nothing because there is no 7 game. Okay. Oh, so it shows some error. How about +9? Oh, there's a +9. It's the Washington Capitol versus Carolina Hurricanes. So you just wait. Probably you can try to shorten the time, but it's optional. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is today's so this is my my video for today. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. So in today's small video, I just tell you how to write a simple Oddsportal scraper for the National Hockey League. And if you copy this code, you try to write this code by yourself, then you will know how to write it. Apply this to the NBA, other sports games you want. Okay, so finally, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. Okay, good luck, you guys. Okay.